In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the scanner error or the error number 033007 in your Epson Workforce printer. So this error we can see on the display panel. It clearly see turn the power off and on again. If the problem persists, visit epson.com for technical support. It gives scanner error and the error number. This error takes place when you are doing the printhead cleaning. To fix that error, we have to go to the inside of the printer, lift it from here. Now this error only takes place when we put the wire in the wrong direction. So open this section. There was one wire we connected here, so that is actually connected in the wrong way. So you just have to correct it. Open this plate. And we have to actually remove this wire. Now plug it in the correct way. So the chip should be facing like this, and the blue part of that going to the back side. So if you install it like this, then it will work properly. That error will go away. Now place it back. Install the ink toners. So ink cartridges are here. Close it, and now you can switch it on. So this way we can fix the error. Thanks for watching.